Today, I tried to start my car and nothing happened. Spoiler alert, I already know the battery is dead. I have owned this car for almost 9 years, and this is the second or third time I needed to replace the battery. Not too bad considering they never last more than a couple years anyways. There's already videos out there explaining how to convert to a mini battery or relocate it entirely to the trunk. As you can see, my upper intercooler piping has to go around the battery, so some people prefer those mods to allow straighter pipe routing while also freeing up space in the engine bay. For the track folks, relocating the battery to the trunk can also improve the weight balance. But to be honest, this car comes 60-40 weight distribution and was never close to 50-50 to begin with. I've done many autocrosses and never thought twice about the battery being located up front. I'm just going to do a simple replacement. This is a great DIY for owners looking to get into basic car maintenance. Topped on. I reviewed this tool before, you can see the video here. Best feature is it tells you if your battery, alternator, or starter are bad, because all these things can cause a car not to start. Remove the right negative terminal connector. It's usually secured by a 10mm nut, and my setup may look different because the original fasteners rusted and snapped off. Be mindful of where you set aside this connector and don't let it touch bare metal. I'm going to rest it against a plastic fuse box. Repeat on the positive side. Remove the connector and tuck it away. Quick note, even though we are only working with 12 volts, be mindful of electricity. Keep your hands dry and use tools with insulated handles. There is a hold down bracket secured by 2 hooks front and back. FYI, I don't believe you can delete this and pass tech inspection at the track. The battery has to be fully secured down. Lift the battery out. If you have any sort of back problem, just know it's heavier than it looks. Take note of the group number, you will need this information when you buy the new battery. Most places charge $10 to $15 for the core, unless you give them your old battery, so bring it along with you to save a trip back. I opted to buy my new battery from Costco and simply picked up the most recent date stamp of February 2023. I also brought my top-down battery tester as a sanity check. I have bought a battery somewhere else before, which died after 4 months, when the warranty expired after 3 months. Reinstall is simply reverse of removal. If you had a lot of corrosion on the positive side, you can mix water and baking soda to scrub it away. Some dielectric grease may prevent reoccurrence. As to why it happens, a common culprit can be overcharging, which can happen if you use these trickle chargers without a shutoff feature. Note that when jumping the car last week, it threw some error code about the crankshaft sensor not getting proper power. If that persists after replacing the battery, you may need to clear it, unless something is actually wrong with that sensor. And that's it. If you learned something new today, please like and subscribe, and see you all next time.